Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm excited to unbox this awesome Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck. So, official Cybertruck RC car by Mattel, Hot Wheels branded. So you can see Cybertruck. Ooh, races on the track, remote control, rechargeable by the controller, and yeah, I've been looking for this and finally found it in stores, so had to get it. It's the only Cybertruck I can afford right now, so, or only Tesla I can afford right now. Let's open this up. All right. Let's see. All right, ain't nobody got time to read that. Let's get this out. Cool. Let's get out of here and do a test drive. Okay. Oh. Interesting. You turn this knob over here and it releases the controller. So, what the heck? Never seen that before, but that's what Hot Wheels uses to hold the controller in. Kind of a waste. Let's see. Up here, looks like they use this tape. And this piece to hold the part of the track in place that is connected to this remote control Cybertruck. So let's get this out of here. Okay, so more frustrating to unbox than Apple, Amazon products for sure, but this is more of a toy, so I understand, but I think they can work on this. Okay, without having me tear down everything to get this out. Oh, I see. So now you got this piece holding the track down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Then you have this cardboard piece. Okay. What is this? This is like, wow. Okay. It's like some, not like a rubber band, but kind of like a rubber band. Interesting. It's like wrapped around each wheel, so. Free the Cybertruck. Oh, jeez. Okay. Yeah, Mattel. I'm sure this is a cool product, but maybe make unboxing a little more friendly. All right, let's go. Now we have controller. Show the controller. And the Cybertruck. Oh, so it's rechargeable here. Oh. Okay. Oh no! I don't think this includes the 4 AA batteries, and I don't have a screwdriver or batteries on handy. Recently moved, don't know where that stuff is, so sorry, won't be able to test this out, but this is the unboxing of the Hot Wheels officially licensed Cybertruck RC car. Really excited to test it out. Great. Thanks everyone for watching the unboxing. See you next time. Bye.